So we're back with a brand new product. We wanted to pick up a brand new lens for our Sony A6600. This is an E-mount lens specifically designed to work with Sony by Meike. It is a 25mm lens, APS-C. With the reason we picked this up is the f-stop of 0.95. So like that was really important for us because we wanted to get a very large amount of light into the lens so we can shoot dark footage a lot better. Unfortunately, because this is a third-party E-mount lens, and although our A6600 has the automatic focus feature, this is a manual focus lens. Just to go over a couple more of the stats on it before we unbox and talk about it. Like I said, manual focus, 25mm. It's this focal length. Its minimum focusing distance is 0.25 meters. You've got a min aperture of f16 with the max aperture, of course, of 0.95, like we talked about. The lens structure has 9 groups and 11 elements. Its filter size is 62mm. It has an M43 view angle, diagonal 47.6 degrees, horizontal 38.8 degrees, vertical 29.5, with an APS-C view angle of diagonal 59.3, horizontal 52 degrees, and vertical 35.4 degrees. So all those facts in case you need them. But let's open this up and see what comes inside the package. If you have a little bit more skill with the camera and you don't mind the focusing, it's always a good thing to note that feature that you need to have the manual focusing, as opposed to, like I said, traditional Sony lenses are going to have the autofocus built into it because the camera has autofocus built into it. Very large piece of foam here to protect the little camera lens. There is the lens there. And a big piece of foam on the other side as well, and some silicate packets to make sure that moisture isn't going to form inside it. We've also got this very small warranty agreement paperwork. The lens itself is wrapped. And the lens does come with a cover for the back side of the lens. As well as a cover for the front. The manual focus ring have a little grip to them, a little bite. You can adjust as need be. It is made in China. There's your markings for indications of your meters and millimeters. And there's your focus band right there. I do like these if you're going to have to basically adjust this. Do seem to have the right amount of grip, girth, and ease of use. There's your front, of course. You have the branding there. Then you have all of your specific stats there. Yeah, I'm going to show you how this easily fits onto the E-mount of our Sony camera, and we'll be right back. Hopefully you found that helpful. Hopefully that goes a long way to helping you pick up that lens. And we will see you guys next time.